people died allegedly because there was an oxygen shortage in the main Goa Medical College Hospital. Now we are finding, we managed to enter the hospital and we are finding that the leading hospital is running out of beds. Patients are lying around in the hospital and there is a severe crisis of infrastructure. Saurabh Bhaktania managed to enter the GMC hospital. This is what he found.
Inside Goa Medical College, several patients died between 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Now for the last 3 days, several patients are dying. We are trying to give you the exact visuals from where this oxygen is loaded inside the hospital. Now here in the visuals you can see, these are the trolleys. These trolleys have several oxygen cylinders. They are brought over here through the tractors and through trucks, and then this oxygen is supplied into the hospital. Now it has been alleged that the oxygen levels drop while refueling it. Here in the visuals you can see the air pressure cannot be maintained. That is the huge allegations which has been made, and this is the logistical issue due to which the oxygen air pressure is not being maintained, and this is the reason why the oxygen does not reach to the patient. The oxygen level suddenly drops, and it has been said at third and the fourth level where the COVID patients are admitted, their oxygen cannot supply, and the oxygen supply breaks down for 3 to 4 times in the midnight, and that is when the patients die. And this is the allegation, and this is a huge inquiry which has been going on. High Court is hearing this case each and every day. It has given a time limit that no more COVID patients should die due to oxygen. With camera person Samir Shanbag and Harish, this is Saurabh Bhaktania in Goa for India Today.
Those scenes inside the main state hospital in Goa. From there, while